Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. This video is going to be a quick little tutorial video on something that I needed for the garage for a while. If you are new to the channel, this is my drift car, 89 Fox body Mustang. Since I'm drifting, you need a bunch of tires, which is what I have. And yes, I know there's some truck tires over here as well. I have aftermarket wheels and I like to keep the stock parts. With me having all these tires over here, it's literally room and space that I cannot use at all. It's 3 stacks of tires. And I also have 4 right here and 2 in the bed of the truck. I have a bunch of tires, I have a bunch of wheels, and I have a bunch of stuff that need to be put somewhere. I saw this Amazon listing of a tire rack and I was like, okay, that's pretty cool, but I didn't like the fact that I would have to pay $50 to $70 for a tire rack that only holds 4 tires. So I started looking around on YouTube trying to figure out a good idea or what I can do to change this up, and I think I got one. So this right here is literally just 9 pieces of 2x4, some wood screws that I have, and a stud finder. I also got some free scrap pieces of wood. Whenever you go to like Lowe's or Home Depot or anywhere like that, check and see if they have any scrap pieces of wood, because that would definitely help you out with whatever you need. Now I got these pieces absolutely free. Let me pull out the receipt, and it looks like the wood pieces is $27. Not only that's cheaper than the starting price for a tire rack on Amazon or anything like that, I am also able to hold more tires than just 4. So with this, I should be able to hold up to 8, maybe 9, maybe 10 if the tires are small, but I got pretty big tires, so it's probably gonna be closer to 8. Now to make the tire rack, I gotta clear all of this because I'm planning on putting it right over here where this wall is, but I'm planning on standing it up off the ground so I can put stuff underneath the tires and I can use up some of that negative space up here. And I'll show you what I'm planning on doing and how I'm gonna set this up. So let me go ahead and clear this stuff out the way. All right, so I got all the tires moved over here, and I got these 2 truck tires right here to keep it above the height that I needed. Just in case I want to put some tires down underneath there, I can stand them up and it'll just fit just as well. I'm going to put the shelf right above the tire, so it's just tall enough to roll underneath there, but just low enough for me to put a wheel on that shelf without struggling. So I think I'm gonna try and do 2 layers. I'm gonna do one first. First one is gonna be right above the tires. The second one is gonna be right above the tires. The bottom ones are gonna be like my wheels and tires, like my big wheels. So I don't think I can get any bigger wheels than that. This guy over here is going house to house, talking with people on the clipboard. I hope he doesn't come to my house because I'm not in the mood. First thing we need to do is find our stud. So that right there is smack dab in the middle where the stud is. So you'll put a mark right there. You'll put a screw through there. Then you go down and you find another stud. So I'm gonna do that all the way through the length of 8 feet. He's getting closer. I really don't want him to come over to my house. You got a cool car though. I think it's the Scion version. I really don't want to hurt his feelings, but I guess I'm gonna have to. I hate dealing with people that's trying to sell me stuff. He's sitting outside my house right now, so kind of waiting for him to leave so I can finish with this video. I'm sorry for the wait. Had to call reinforcements because apparently I didn't know what I was doing. Oh, I don't either. Oh, well, we both don't know. But hey, look, my mom got us this table. It's gonna work. We're gonna cut some stuff. How about that? You clearly don't know how to use a table saw. Not a table saw, whatever that is. I don't even know what it is. Let me shut up. So we clearly did not know what we was doing. But it's okay. This is a test piece. This one's already broken. But that's our only test piece. So let's cut this one into a better shape. just like that.
Yeah, I don't know what that was. I'll be right back.
Oh, you going to the house?
Yeah.
Oh, is that bad?
Yeah. Got me forever doing that.
All right, so we had to go with a different plan because it was still kind of bowing down a little bit. So essentially, if I need it to be a work table, it can be a work table.
Multifunction.
Yes, and that's what we need here, multifunction. But yeah, 2x4, 2x4. These are 2x4 by 8s. These are 2x4 by 2x4 by 2. Yeah, 2x4 by 2. All right, guys. So I ran out of daylight, and I also ran out of memory on my memory card. So this is the next day. This is what it looked like right now. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the car out and pull the tires off. I'm also gonna make me a second level. Then I will explain everything that I did to make sure you know how to put this up, how to support it, and what you need, what measurements you need to use. Let me go ahead, clear this stuff out the way, build that second one, and show y'all. All right, so now we got the second layer done. Aaron showed back up because needed some help. This is definitely a two-person job. So this right here is a 2x8 by, not 2x8, a 2x4 by 8. I have two of them. This right here is a 2x4 by 24 inches. So 2x4 by 2.
What? 2x4 by 24.
I thought
How
it's,
is that a 2x4 by 8 foot?
We try and measure this to see how far it is. You said you're 5 feet with boots on?
What? I'm not that short. I mean, I'm short, but I'm fully. I'm 5'7".
Okay, 5'7".
So this is probably 5'9".
5'9". It is.
There was an easier way to do that too, by the way.
This 5'7".
Is it?
Yeah. When I say this is pretty sturdy.
Oh, I got you. Okay. That makes more sense.
What?
I was going off at the top of this. I was like, man, no. Yeah, there ain't. Oh, yeah, okay. That makes more sense to me. I say, I know I'm 5'7". 5'9". Okay, I'm not crazy.
Okay, so the whole thing is 5'9", but it's
5'9" to here.
Yeah.
5'7" to here.
Yeah.
Okay. Man, you... Whoa.
You're short, bud.
No, I was about to be that short.
This is pretty sturdy. I'm surprised at how sturdy it is. Come on up here. I'm being serious. Like, it's pretty sturdy. Got wheels on here, tires. Let me get down and not hurt myself. I don't need Lindsay to be a nurse on me. I'm gonna get some more wood because that's just scrap wood that I had. So I'm gonna go to Lowe's and get some more wood. I don't know if I'm gonna do the 2x4 by 8s. Might get 4x4s because it's a lot thicker. But I mean, it's pretty strong as is. All right, so it's not perfect looking, but it gets the job done. Now all the tires are not on the ground and stacked up. They're actually up, and I can actually organize this a little bit better, and I have more room. So I'm really happy about that. I might have to do some rearranging with the tires because as you can see, they're in random spots. All of those except for 2 are wheels and tires. This is just a tire and that's just a tire. The rest are wheels and tires. All of those on top are just tires. So I'm gonna figure out what I can do with that, try and rearrange them and mix them up so they can all fit better. Because that one is sticking up. Oh yeah, that's a wheel too. That's one wheel. But yeah, I'm very, very excited about this. I'm pretty happy that it turned out like this. And like I said, I am gonna replace this board right here with a stronger board. Just didn't have time to do it yet. Same thing on this side. I'm gonna do the same thing. I was able to keep my bander up. I just had to move it over a little bit and then I'm gonna put it right back into the same spot. But it should be good as well. Now I gotta freaking wash my eye out. I think I got some sawdust in my eye. This was just a nice DIY project that I needed to do to increase more space in here so I can do more content for you guys. Speaking of content, go ahead and check out this video right here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.